In the heart of the Golden Triangle, in a city full of potentials, in a place both of riches and deprivations, in a land full of dreams and aspirations, of a dream, of a home that breathes life from nature, sustaining all that it caters. Sky terraces, kitchen gardens, green rooftops, fountains, from power extracted from the sun to purity in each drop of water, ensured round the clock, day in, day out, where life knows no disruptions. Pools, cinemas, fitness parlors, community clubs, book reading lounges, shopping malls, all in the immediate access, yet away from the serenity of personal space. A space finished to perfection at the hands of the best. A space smart to serve you like no one else. A space that promises you comfort of body and conscience alike. It's a space surrounded by opportunities, neighboring river, natural forest, the largest regional park, the Grand Trunk route with immense connectivity, and a host of amenities. It's a safe oasis of bliss, surrounded by a wealth of all that one can long for. It's a lifestyle where luxury meets simplicity, where modern meets serenity. It's a lifestyle worthy of future. Green's Enclave, a lifestyle nestled in